trendybeats.com.
I saw this question and let's solve it quickly. If 3 root x is equals to 27x, solve for x. So the first thing we are going to do here is we are going to put both of them in the same base, all right? So we can express 27 to base 3, and that's 3 raised to power 3, then raised to power x, which can be on this right hand side. If you have a power raised to another power, by the law of indices, you can just multiply those powers. So we have this. Now, at this point, because their bases are the same, you have 3 here, you have 3 here, we can simply equate powers. And so you have that root x is equal to 3x. If you equate the powers, this will be equal to this. All right. Now, here, you need to remove this square root. So you square both sides. Square both sides. And so we have that root x square is equals to 3x square. Okay. This square will cancel the square root. You're left with x here is equals to 3 squared is 9x squared. All right. Now, let's take everything to one side. If this x plus x crosses to the other side, it becomes 9x squared minus x when it crosses is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, and we can simply factorize. So if we factorize this, what is common between 9x squared and x, what is here that is also here, is x. So if I bring out x on this side, if I remove x from here, I'll be left with 9 and another x, because this is x squared, that's 2x, xx. If I remove one x, I'm left with 9x minus, if I remove x from x, I'm left with 1. Everything is equal to what? 0. Right? So in this case, we have that this x here is equal to 0. That's one answer. This x here is equal to 0, or everything in the bracket is equal to 0. Remember, a quadratic equation will always give you two answers. So the first answer is that this x outside here is equal to 0, or this thing in the bracket is equal to 0. So if 9x is equal to 0 minus 9x minus 1, is equal to 0, we can move minus 1 to the other side. And so it becomes 9x is equal to 1. If minus 1 crosses, it becomes 1, positive 1. So to get x here, I need to remove this 9. And how do I remove 9? I divide both sides by 9. I divide both sides by 9. So 9 will cancel out itself here. X is equal to 1 over 9. So here I have two answers, that x is 0 or 1 over 9. Okay, these are the two values of x that satisfy this initial question that we are given. All right, so I hope this is clear enough. If you have any other question, you can put in the comments, and if there's any confusion about this one as well, put it down in the comments so that I can attend to it.